Today, every person wants to earn money online by sitting at home. Moreover, teenagers are also eager to make online money. However, it is difficult to find an easy way to earn money online without investment. Sometimes, people get trapped by fake agencies working online. Still, there are proven methods to make money online without any investment. In today's video, we will be talking about some interesting ways to make money without investment. Without further ado, let's begin. Do research online. Are you good at using Google to find specific information? If so, there are plenty of opportunities for you to make money online for free. Many companies in different industries hire web researchers to find the most relevant and dependable sources of info for them. Then they share that info with their clients to help them make informed business decisions. You can apply to work on their tasks. All you need is a computer and internet access. Cointeply – earn in Bitcoin. Cointeply is a micro-task website where you are paid to do small activities. These activities could be anything from play games, install apps, filling surveys, viewing ads, watching videos, and making money. The best thing is that you earn money as Bitcoin, which you can encash on any Bitcoin exchange. Become a transcription freelancer. As the number of podcasts and video content is increasing, so is the demand of workforce for transcribing the audio into text format. There are services like Rev that let you work from home and make money with transcription freelancing gigs. The benefit of this work-from-home gig: Rev freelancing jobs allow you to work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. Enjoy selecting from a variety of projects that actually interest you. Receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. Rev is on time and dependable. This is another do-at-your-own-pace kind of work and easily doable by anyone who understands and can write in English. Become a virtual assistant. This is another best way to earn money by sitting at home. As the number of solopreneurs is increasing, so is the demand for virtual assistants. A virtual assistant job is just like a personal assistant but done virtually. The job could be like doing research work, replying to emails, writing content or ad copies, moderating comments. On average, a virtual assistant job could help you earn anywhere between $2 to $30 every hour. For anyone who can't move out of the house and needs an earning source sitting at home, becoming a VA is a lucrative option. Websites to get hired for remote virtual assistant jobs. Bloggers and webmasters are always looking for new and unique content for their blogs and websites. To become an article writer, all you need to good writing skills, and you should be able to scout the internet to find the right information. This is one of the best ways to make money online without paying anything. Here is the list of websites that pays for writing: Outsourcely, ProBlogger Job Board, Freelancer, Constant Content, Upwork, Craigslist. You will be paid $2 to $100 per article depending on the word requirement and quality. You'll be instructed on the quality of articles, niche, number of words, etc. while making a deal. Freelancing. Whether you are a graphic designer or a finance manager, a writer, or a homemaker, freelancing is for you. You just need to think about what you are good at, and you can make a living. You can be your boss, can work from anywhere you like, and work according to your time schedule. Simply sign up for freelancing jobs on sites like Guru, Upwork, People Per Hour, Fiverr, etc. Apply for a relevant category, and that's it. You are good to go. Of course, different sites have different payment schedules and terms of conditions. You just need to pick the site according to your needs. Start a profitable blog. If you are passionate about writing and want to share your thoughts, emotions, or learnings with people, blogging is a great option for you. You don't have to be tech-savvy or a computer geek to start your journey online. Here is an important story. Harsh Agrawal met with an accident, and he was unable to move out of bed for 6 months. It is that time that he made blogging his full-time career, and now he is earning more than $60,000 every month. Create YouTube videos or a channel. How many times have you spotted advertisements on YouTube videos? Until I got to know about money-making opportunities via YouTube, I never knew a normal user like you and I can earn income by uploading videos on YouTube. It doesn't have to be a technical video. It could be anything from a funny to a serious one. However, the video needs to be original. You can simply upload videos on YouTube and monetize them using AdSense. How to make money on YouTube? You need not to spend a lot or buy a professional camera or any such gadgets. A good smartphone video recorder can do magic. Guest posting for your clients. It can help you make a lot of money. Guest posting has great benefits regarding traffic, exposure, credibility, and recognition from search engines. Just imagine the amount you can charge if you have the caliber to get a guest post approved on Shoutmeloud. Your clients will pay you thousands of dollars. For this, you need to have writing skills, and you can find a list of high-authority blogs that allow guest posting here. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the best way for anyone to start earning money online. This requires zero investment, and you can use your blog or even your social media platform like Twitter, Facebook to promote and earn money. I know of bloggers earning thousands sitting at home just with affiliate marketing. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. It's 2022, and there is no doubt that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. Just like the dot-com boom, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are at a very basic stage. But if you spend some time working hard, you will end up earning a lot of money. The best part is that you can find most of the information online, and I recommend you to spend the first few days learning about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as much as you can before you start investing in it. Since the market is new and a lot of people are getting in, you can expect a lot of growth in the coming months or years. You can browse Harsh's website CoinSutra to educate yourself in the field of cryptocurrencies. Online paid surveys. This is the most common method for earning quick bucks. Now let me explain how these online surveys work. Many survey companies usually pay internet users for their opinions or reviews on popular products and services. They send out free products or services to contestants for trying their products. If you are searching for an entertaining method to make money online, think about registering with a trustworthy survey company and go ahead. Here are a few working websites for getting paid surveys: Swagbucks and Prizerable. However, before you register for any online survey program, make sure you read their TOS, as many programs accept participants from specific countries like US or Canada, and thus on. Personally, I highly recommend it to be the last way to earn money, as finding a good site that pays for surveys is tough, and there are many scams involved with paid surveys. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.